When you crave something fresh, satisfying, and packed with flavor, a chicken Caesar wrap salad is the perfect choice. It's the ultimate combination of a classic Caesar salad and a hearty wrap, giving you the best of both worlds. Creamy dressing, crisp romaine lettuce, juicy grilled chicken, and crunchy croutons come together in a deliciously convenient wrap. Whether you're looking for a quick lunch, a light dinner, or a meal on the go, this recipe will become a staple in your kitchen. The beauty of a chicken Caesar wrap salad is its versatility. You can make it as light or as indulgent as you like. Want to keep it on the healthier side? Opt for a whole wheat tortilla and a homemade yogurt-based Caesar dressing. Prefer something more traditional? Use a classic flour tortilla and a rich, garlicky dressing. No matter how you customize it, the combination of flavors and textures is unbeatable. For the perfect wrap, start with high-quality ingredients. Fresh romaine lettuce provides that signature crunch, while the Caesar dressing delivers a tangy, creamy punch. Grilled chicken, seasoned to perfection, adds the protein that makes this wrap both filling and nutritious. And, of course, we can't forget the Parmesan cheese and crispy croutons for that extra layer of texture and flavor. Making a chicken Caesar wrap salad at home is incredibly easy. Begin by grilling or pan-searing your chicken until it's golden brown and cooked through. While the chicken rests, toss the romaine with your favorite Caesar dressing, ensuring every leaf is coated. Sprinkle in grated Parmesan and crunchy croutons for that signature Caesar touch. Then, grab a tortilla, lay down your dressed greens, slice up your juicy chicken, and roll everything up tightly. Slice it in half, and you have a meal that looks as good as it tastes. This wrap isn't just about convenience, it's also about flavor. The balance of creamy, crunchy, tangy, and savory makes every bite a delight. If you're meal prepping for the week, these wraps store well when wrapped in parchment paper or foil. Just grab one from the fridge, and you have a nutritious, delicious meal ready to go. You can easily personalize your wrap to fit your preferences. Want extra crunch? Add some sliced cucumbers or shredded carrots. Looking for a bit of a kick? Toss in some crushed red pepper or a drizzle of hot sauce. If you love bold flavors, a little bit of crumbled bacon can take this wrap to the next level. A chicken Caesar wrap salad is perfect for anyone looking for a satisfying yet simple meal. It's a great way to enjoy the classic Caesar salad in a more convenient form, making it an excellent option for busy days, packed lunches, or quick dinners. With just a few simple ingredients and minimal prep time, you can enjoy a restaurant-quality meal at home. What's your favorite way to enjoy a Caesar salad? Would you try it in a wrap or stick to the traditional bowl version?